I told you earlier that a quadratic equation has roots, okay, and the roots are taken as alpha comma beta. I told you about the sum of roots and the product of roots in quadratic equation. Did I tell you or not? Sum of roots is minus b by a and product of roots is c by a.
Yes, sir, you have
Right?
told.
That concept only we have to apply. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a, that is minus b by 1, and alpha into beta is c by 1. Okay, if the difference between the reciprocals of the roots, that means 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta is equals to 1 by 3. If the difference between the reciprocals of the roots, 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta is 1 by 3, so that is giving me beta minus alpha divided by alpha beta is equals to 1 by 3. Fine. And the sum of the reciprocals of the squares, sum of the reciprocals of the squares, okay, sum of the reciprocals, that is 1 by alpha square, the sum of the reciprocals of the squares is 5 by 9. Okay, what is alpha plus beta minus b? Alpha into beta is c. All right, তেরিকা কি হচ্ছে রে ভাই, তিন দশটা আসছে না কেন? Wait, let the paintbrush come. Okay, so now if I solve it, b square minus 2c by c square equals to 5 by 9. Okay, or b square by c square, what do I need to find out? The largest possible value of b plus c.
আর বলছি এটা কি অ্যান্সার 9 হবে?
9 কারেক্ট। কি করেছে বলো?
এ আর বি এর এটা করে ভ্যালু বেরোলো,
হ্যাঁ,
তো তারপর সেটা মানে এর ভ্যালু, সরি, বি এর ভ্যালু 9/2 এসেছে, প্লাস মাইনাস 9/2, আর
বি এর ভ্যালু
সি
কি করে
এর
প্লাস,
ভ্যালু হচ্ছে 9/2। হ্যাঁ,
বি এর ভ্যালু কি করে প্লাস মাইনাস 9/2 এলো?
ওই তো মানে আগে সি এর ভ্যালু বার করেছি, তারপর সি এরটা বিতে বসিয়ে তারপর ওটা দুটো ভ্যালু বেরিয়েছে, ওরকম করেই বেরিয়েছে।
Need to take a different approach. Come.
এটা এরকম করে করলে হবে?
কিরকম করে বলো তো?
ওই যে আমি পাঠিয়েছি,
ও তুমি পাঠালে?
মানে হ্যাঁ,
দেখছি দাঁড়াও।
একটু হাতের লেখাটা বাজে আছে, জানি না বুঝতে পারছি।
This is not happening in this way. It's becoming too long. দেখি অনন্য তুমি কি করেছো? ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে। ভালোই করেছো। দাঁড়াও, তোমার প্রসেসটাই দেখি। ওকে, 9b স্কোয়ার ওকে, ইকুয়েশনটা এসছে। ঠিক আছে, ওকে, বুঝেছি। Got two equations. Okay. Okay. Hold on, guys. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. This sum will come up. বুঝতে পেরেছি। Now I understood where I made the mistake. No, thank you. তোমার সলিউশনটা থেকে আমি আমার মিস্টেকটা পেয়ে গেলাম। 4c square minus 18c is equal to 0. So 2c is 2c minus 9 is equal to 0. Now c is 9 by 2. Therefore b is 0 or 9b square is equal to 5c square plus 18c. So a plus b is 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2, that is 9. Okay. See, this one is actually quite a tricky one. Now না তুমি একদম 100% ঠিক করেছো। ওকে, তোমার সামটা দেখে আমার ক্যালকুলেশন মিস্টেকটা আমি বুঝতে পারলাম। See, so what I was doing in the beginning was correct, only one sign mistake was there. Fine. So you see, the two roots of this equation is alpha comma beta. Okay, so alpha plus beta is going to be what? Minus b by a, which is 1. Alpha into beta is going to be what? C by a, which is c, right? Now it is given the difference between the reciprocals of the roots. So that means 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta is 1 by 3. Or if I take alpha beta as this LCM, beta minus alpha by alpha beta is equal to 1 by 3. Or nothing but, now what is alpha beta? C. So just substituted. So beta minus alpha by c is equal to 1 by 3. This c goes over here. So on simplifying, we get this. Okay. Now come to the second part of the information. The sum of the reciprocals of the square, that means 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square is equal to 5 by 9. Taking LCM alpha square beta square, and then the numerator alpha square plus beta square. What is alpha square plus beta square? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, so what is alpha beta? Minus b, the square of this is b square, minus what is alpha beta? C, divided by what is alpha beta? C square. So just simplifying and we are getting this. Now we need to get another equation. You see, one I have got is beta minus alpha is c by 3. Another I have is alpha plus beta is minus b. When I am simultaneously solving it, I am getting beta as minus 3b plus c by 6. Okay. From here, I can find out what is the value of alpha. You can put this value of beta in any of this equation and you can get the value of alpha. I have put it in the first equation. You can see alpha is minus b by minus beta. So when I just put it, I get alpha as this. Now see, my target is to find out two equations between alpha a, b and c. My target is to find out two equations between b and c. That is the reason why I am doing so many jugglings. Now say alpha into beta is c. Why? Because we got it from here only. Alpha into beta is c, right? What is alpha? I am now directly putting the value of alpha. Alpha is this. What is beta? Beta is this, and that is equals to c. On simplifying this, I get this. Now you can note one thing, that in this equation also there is 9b square equals to something. Okay, in this equation also there is 9b square equals to something. I am equating the values of two 9b squares. On solving it, I am getting c as 0 or c as 9 by 2. If I take c as 0, you put this value of c in any of the equations, say this one, you will get b as 0. That is why we cannot take this. We need to take this. When we take this, we are putting the value of c over here in this equation. Okay, when we are putting it in this equation, we are getting the value of b as 9 by 2. So a plus b is 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2, that is 9.